Now that you've learned how to mentally calculate 10, 5, 20, and 15% up here, we're going to apply that skill when finding discounts, sales prices, tip, and sales tax. For this video, we're going to focus only on discounts. Discounts are an amount that a consumer will save. In a later video, you will watch how to calculate tip, and in a later video, you will calculate sales tax. Now, in this video, you're also going to learn that sales price is the amount of money that you pay for something after you subtract away the discount. So for this video, we're focusing on how to calculate a discount that a consumer can save, and then when we subtract that discount, how to calculate the sale price. Okay? So discounts, we're focusing on subtracting from the original or starting amount. Okay? We're subtracting. We like discounts. For discounts, we get to save money. All right. So for the first example here, we have that a movie costs $20 and it is 10% off. I would like to know what is the sale price. So that mental math that we just learned in the last video, 10% of 20, you just got to move that decimal over once and it'd be a $2 discount. In the calculator, if you need the calculator, it'd be a 0.10 for 10% times the $20, and we see that it's $2 off. Now that's a $2 discount, but now we need to subtract that from the $20 to calculate the sale price. So $20 minus the $2 off, it'd be $18 sale price. Remember that the sale price is the amount after you subtract the discount. Now for the next one, if a video game costs $50 and is on sale for 15% off, how much will it cost? So folks, you want to be able to be in a store and see how much something costs. And if there's a 15% off sale, you want to be able to just do it in your head. You don't want to be that adult who has to take out their phone for the calculator. So let's do the mental math real quick for 15% of the $50. So 10%, we just got to move that decimal over once. And so when I move the decimal over once for 10%, I get $5. Now if I cut that in half, what is half of 5? 2.5. So 5% is $2.50. So now I just got to put them together to get that 15% off would be $7.50. So if something costs $50 and you get 15% off, you're going to save $7.50. So if you save the $7.50 and we want to know how much it's going to cost, that would be $42.50. Be careful not to think that it's $43.50. 50 minus 7 is 43, but now we need to take away 50 more cents, so now we're down into $42.50, okay? You can use a calculator to do the $50 minus the $7.50, and it's $42.50, okay? All right, let's flip over. Now we're going to take a look that if a prom dress costs $95 and is on sale for 20% off, this time we want to know just the amount saved. Notice for the last two problems, I wanted to know the sale price, meaning what is it going to cost after you subtract the discount. For this problem, I just want to know the discount, just the amount saved. So if we move the decimal over once, it's going to be $9.50. $9.50 would be 10%. So if we double that for the 20%, 9 times 9 is 18. 50 cents times 50 cents is $1. So it'd be $18 plus $1, $19. If you need the calculator for that part, it's okay. You've got the 9.5 for 10%, and you can now double it for 20% to see that it's a $19 off. Now, in a previous video, I think it was this one, we learned how in the calculator you can just multiply the percent as a decimal by the amount. So for the prom dress problem, we can take 20% in the calculator and just multiply it times the $95, and that'll instantly tell us we're going to save $19. So the answer to this one is a $19 discount. For the next problem, Jay bought 3 shirts that costs $22 each. Jay found a coupon for 30% off the total at American Eagle, and we want to know then the price of buying all 3 shirts. So the first thing we've got to notice is that the 3 shirts are $22 each. So that means Jay is about to spend $66. So now we want to be able to find 30% of the $66. So in the calculator, you just got the 30% as a decimal, times the $66 for the shirts, and we can see that it's going to be $19.80. That's how much Jay is going to save. So if they were originally $66 and he saves $19.80, that means Jay is going to pay $46.20 for his shirts. $46.20. Now I went straight to the calculator to do the 30% times 66. Folks, you can still find 10% of any number by moving the decimal once. And in this case, 30%, you would just triple it. So if you want to, you can just move the decimal once to get 660 is 10%. And then when you multiply by the 3 right here, 0 times 3 is 0, 6 times 3 is 18, and we carry a 1. 6 times 3 is 18 again, add 1, and it's going to be 1980. Again, once you subtract the 1980, we get the sale price is $46.20. Now, some of you might be wondering, can I do 30% off of just the one shirt and then figure out how much one shirt will cost and then multiply by 3 shirts? You sure can. Let me show that real quick. What we're going to do first is just find 30% of a $22 shirt. So 30% of just one shirt, you're going to save the $660. So if one shirt is originally $22 and we save $660, one shirt now costs $15.40. That's one shirt with the discount. And he's getting 3 shirts with that discount. So if we hit times 3 now, it's going to be the same answer. So yes, you can find 30% off of one shirt and find out how much one shirt would cost, and then hit times 3 for 3 shirts. That's a second method there. Now this third question is one of my favorites. Amy wants to buy her mom a new sweater for her birthday. The sweater that she wants to buy is $25, and it's going to be on sale for 30% off. Amy's going to pay with a $20 bill. We want to know how much change will she receive. So first, the sweater is $25, and we need to calculate 30% off. Now, mental math, again, I want to encourage you to try to do this in your head because you don't want to be that adult who needs the calculator in the store. So let's say you see something's $25 in the store. You can mentally move the decimal once to get that 10% would be $2.50. And you guys can take $2.50 and triple it. Think about a quarter. How much is 3 quarters? 75 cents. So $2.50 tripled is 7.50. Now again, it's okay to use the calculator, y'all. So 30% of something that costs $25 would be 0.3 times 25, and we get that you're going to save $7.50. So if it originally was $25 and you save $7.50, when we subtract that, we're going to see that you have to pay $17.50 for the sweater. So Amy owes the store $17.50. She's going to pay with a $20 bill, and so she's going to receive $2.50 back from the store. All right? So she goes in with a $20 bill. She sees something that costs $25, and she actually walks out of there with change. Good deal, Amy. All right, and that takes care of how to find a discount or the sale price. Friendly reminder that right here for this prom dress problem, when you found the 20% off, you stopped because it just asked for the amount saved. But sometimes we ask for the sale price, which means once you find the discount, you've got to subtract it. And we are done now with finding discounts. Thank you.